Welcome and welcome back. Here's some of the goodies I'll be using. Remember these beauties from my last video? I'll be using one to do my natural nails with. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. First, I have to prep my nails because I want them to last a little while. I did this part off camera, so I'll show you what I did. I cleaned my nails with an alcohol lint-free wipe before I prepped them. I took a cuticle pusher and I pushed my cuticles back. Then I took the other end of the cuticle pusher and what was left on my nail plate, I gently scraped off. Then I took a buffer and I buffed the shine off my natural nail. Then I took these babies. Yes, you gotta be careful, they're very sharp. But you want to take and cut off the white part of the cuticle, which is the dead part of it. Don't take too much off or the cuticle will grow back really thick. If you don't feel comfortable using them, you don't have to. Before you apply any products, first you want to clean your nails with a lint-free wipe with alcohol. Make sure you get all the dust and debris and oils off your nail plate. I'm using Madam Glam's base coat. Yes, you can use primer, or you can use both primer and base coat. When I apply the base coat, I'm massaging it into the nail. And if you use primer, you want to massage it in too. And then I just apply it all over the nail and make sure it's fully covered. For this is my second time actually doing my own nails. First time on YouTube. I do make mistakes and I do realize what they are, which that will help me grow. And I'm grateful to be able to record, to look back, to grow. But if anyone has any advice, I would greatly appreciate it. After I get them all base coated, then I stick them in the lamp to cure. And I use pink flakes to do my nails with. And on the back of the jar, it has the ingredients and directions and warnings. And it also says that they are vegan, cruelty-free, TPO-free, 21-free formula, and HEMA-free. Now let me just sit up and we'll get into it. Who's excited to see me try this out for the first time on YouTube? I'll be using Madam Glam's application brush. I want to take and push this down so hopefully it doesn't close up on me. But I want to take a very small amount of builder gel on my brush. And I'm trying to get situated. It's not easy recording doing your own nails. But I'm going to take and apply the builder gel to my nail. You want to apply it all over for a slip layer. And I left this in real time. But I do speed up the video, here and there. And be very careful not to get it on your skin. Yep, got some on my skin, so I'm taking a brush with alcohol and cleaning it up. Yep, I made a rookie move. A couple of them actually. As you see, my pinky is on top of my thumbnail that has base coat on it. And I did not put a clear base under the builder gel. But I don't have a clear builder gel, so, I don't have a clear base to put under it. But hopefully I'll have some clear gel soon. I am waiting on Madam Glam to restock their clear builder gel before I can get some. But as you see, I am cleaning up my skin. Usually my hand is hot and the product will tend to be melty runny like, so I'm carrying this because I don't know what it's going to do. I'm nervous, but I will test it out on the other nails to see. I'll show you applying it to one more nail, and I'll let you watch. Madam Glam was kind enough to give me a discount code for you all, and it is Bramble35, and you can save 35% off of your orders. They also give me a link that will take you straight to the website, and when you get ready to check out, just click pay as you go and apply my code if the link doesn't do it for you, and then you can save 35% off your order. I will leave everything in the description box down below. Now, if you're a VIP member, my discount code won't work. And yes, Madam Glam has a VIP membership. Now, where I cured a slip layer, I'm going to lay down another slip layer, which helps build up the color because it is kind of jelly-like. And I'll let you watch. And the VIP membership is a great idea. You will pay $29.99 a month, and that will come out each month automatically. And if you don't spend it each month, it rolls over as store credit, which adds up over time. And there are so many perks. You've got to check it out to see if that's something you're interested in. And you can also cancel it or pause it at any time. I'm going to take and get a small amount on the brush and put it towards the cuticle, but not touching the cuticle, and kind of work it off my brush and then work it from side to side all the way down the nail to the free edge. My pinky is so small, it's easier holding the brush this way. Now you want to take and check your sides and make sure they're good. Now I turn my hand over and let the gravity do its thing. Then I take and clean up any that's on my skin. So sorry I'm not in the frame. I turn my hand over and let gravity do its thing, and then I cure in the lamp for 2 minutes. Now you just repeat the process on the rest of the fingers and thumb, and I'll let you watch. And I would like to take the time to say thank you to everyone that watches my videos, comments, likes, and all that shabam. I appreciate you so much, and thank you, and I love every one of you. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? It only takes a second. And if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. It only takes a second. And if you'd like to leave me a comment, that may take a few seconds. But just know that I will always get back to you as soon as I can. Now I'm going to play a little music for you. And I hope you stay till the end, because I do have a few pictures of the nails. And I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you again for being here with me on my crazy nail journey. Before I go, I do want to ask, do you all hear me okay in the videos? Is it too low? Do I need to speak up? Is the music too loud when I put that in where I speak? Just let me know, and I will adjust it, because I can turn mine up and I can hear it. It's just, let me know what you all like so I can try to fix it to your liking.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. journey we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright, neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky as we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.
Lost in this cosmic abyss, my mind takes flight. Dark echoes pulsating, setting the stage for the night. Galactic melodies guide me through the unknown. In this abstract hip-hop song, I feel at home. Navigating the depths like a jazz improvisation. New jazz rhythms set my soul in cosmic vibration. Deep house beats like stars twinkling in the sky. I reach the depths of my creativity as I fly high. The trip hop grooves wrap around my very being. Full place rhymes the soundtrack to what I'm seeing. Abstract thoughts flow through these astral dimensions. I paint pictures with words, unveiling my intentions.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky.
What they're looking like so far, and I'm gonna file, and you want to make sure that you close up all your products so the dust don't get in. But I will file off camera because the video would be so long if I did it on camera. Then I take a lint-free wipe with alcohol and I clean my nails really, really good. Now it's time to top coat them. I only show top coat one of them. This step is very important. I take and I clean my nails after I top coat them. Because yes, even though it says no wipe top coat, it still has a distribution layer. You can't feel it, but it's there. It's cuticle oil time. I'm using Sugared Eclipse Fabulous Cuticle. And I believe I drenched my fingers. And now I'm just rubbing it in. I don't want to use my right hand where the glove may have some products on, and I don't want to rub that in my skin. Comes the final look. Now, yes, around my fingers are real red, but I'm pale skinned and it doesn't take much to make my skin look red. And here's my look with the pink flake builder gel. Let me know what y'all think and how I did. Here's a side view, and yes, I like Apex a little bit bigger than normal, but I don't know if I do on short nails as much as I thought I would. And here's what they look like with the flash on. I absolutely love these builder gels, which they just recently released them. I highly recommend them, but use them at your own risk. Thank you so much, Madam Glam, and thank you to my rep. And look at the builder gel, hardly any light on it. So beautiful, and still so sparkly. Just recently released. They are gorgeous. Gotta get them. Check them out. See if that's something you're interested in. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you. Bye. See ya.
As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to stars.